What's going on, guys? I'm Chrissy Whispers and welcome to the channel. Today's video is a tale of caution and sealed investing. I went to a flea market today, and although I know that most of the time what you're going to find at a flea market is fake cards or fake packs, I love to look nonetheless because you never know what you could find. And today, I thought I made a find. I walked over to a table and a woman had 6 V Tins, the EV Evolution variants with Sylveon, Espeon, and Umbreon. These tins came out, I believe, back in 2022 during Sword and Shield. So I knew that these tins should have Sword and Shield packs in them. I asked the woman how much she wanted, and she said $22. So for the 6 of them, I said, could you do all 6 for 100? Figured why not, and she took it. So I don't know what it was that dawned on me, but I looked at the tin and I said, let me open it up and just make sure I'm not the one that's getting hosed. Well, sure enough, I opened it up, and to my surprise, there was no Sword and Shield. I'm talking about these tins. The plastic's not on it because I wanted to open it up before I walked away with all 6 of them. And, I just wanted to make sure I wasn't getting scammed. If you buy tins, you know that they come wrapped one of 2 ways. They come either with a full wrap around the entire thing with that, like, soft cellophane wrap, like that's what the Pokemon Center usually sends you, or it has that hard plastic that covers like just the body, like just like that. When these tins first came out, the ones that I bought, at least, I have about a dozen of them. I thought they were good investment at the time. I was new in the hobby, and their EV Evolutions, I thought it was like a no-brainer, to be honest with you. I never liked that like minimal wrapping where it just like kind of covered like this much of it, because I had always felt like they could be opened and resealed, like they could be tampered with by like the average person. Like as long as you have plastic and a heat gun, you could kind of reseal this shit. So I stopped buying them for that reason. But today at this flea market, I said, why not? I'll throw an offer of $100, and if she takes it, I'll take them. When I gave her the $100, I picked this one up, and I just thought to myself, well, let me check this tin. In my head, there should have been maybe an Evolving Skies, maybe a Fusion Strike, maybe a Chilling Rain, Brilliant Stars, maybe a Vivid Volt. Packs of that time. Thank God I opened it, because let me show you what's inside. The tin is right. The information on the back is all right. The year is right. The promo card is right. And technically the wrapping was right, because the ones I have upstairs that I bought from GameStop at that time have the same wrappers. But look at this shit. Now, I'm not fully complaining because Day Evolve's not a bad set. Scarlet Base isn't a bad set. You can pull some stuff out of it. But the lesson is this. If you're investing in things other than booster boxes or ETBs, like collection boxes or tins, stuff like that, mostly tins is what this video is about. If you're buying tins for like investment purposes, you better make damn sure what you're getting inside before you go and you buy a bunch of them. Because after I opened this up, I realized that 6 of these tins, they weren't worth $100. That's only 24 packs. 24 packs of Sword and Shield to me is not worth $100. I can get them for less on TCG Player. And I'm not saying that the Pokemon Center, like they're the ones doing this. I don't know if it's MJ Holdings. I don't know where this tin came from, but somebody's reusing these tins, and it's not just these tins. It happened to me with the XY Evolution Dragonite tin that I opened up a few months back. Those had Lost Origin and Silver Tempest. That's not what was supposed to be in there, and this isn't what's supposed to be in here. So all I'm really getting at with this video, make sure you know what you're buying, especially if you're buying it for the long term, because what happens when you try to sell these and somebody's expecting, just say, Evolving Skies, Brilliant Stars, or Fusion Strike? I'm not positive what's supposed to be in here. I'm really not. I don't want to lie to you, but I know it's not Scarlet Violet and Paldea Evolved. So what happens when you try to sell these? If you sell these on eBay and I get it and I say to myself, let's say I'm the one that buys this and you're selling it. I don't want this. I'm supposed to get Evolving Skies in here. So when I open it up, does this give the buyer the right refund their order? And if that's the case, you're double screwed, because the item has to come back to you. It's no longer sealed because they had to open it up to find out that it's not the packs that they were expecting. So something like this, to me, could be, in my opinion, could be kind of detrimental. I mean, you could start getting bad reviews. People could accuse you of being the ones to reseal these. I don't know what the deal is, and I don't know what the solution is, but I just wanted to do this video as call it a public service announcement. Just be careful what you're buying and who you're buying from. I don't think the lady scammed me. I think the person that sold this tin to her scammed her. And I'm not necessarily saying it was a person. She could have bought these at a store. So just be careful what you're buying and make sure you know what you're getting inside these things, because you might think you have one thing and you might be sad to find out that that's not what you have. So just be careful. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.